play, demonstrate, mind over mayhem, no mistakes. Lift some weights, eat some steaks, but you don't really want that face to face. So let's relax, check your track. Don't let your concentration snap. I love the way she arch her